my people up there in Scotland and Ireland. I've taken both your accents and I've combined them.
And completely messed them up.
I have. Hello, everybody. Yes. I hope you have enjoyed all of our videos that we've been throwing out to you, scheduled to reach you at the right time of the day or the morning or the evening for my people. Well, the video I'm referring to is the one that I did of my slow roasted lamb.
Oh my God, that was so delicious.
Oh, Lord have mercy, it was delicious.
So
I can
good.
show you.
It was so good.
This is all we got left. Seriously.
Can I have that?
No, it's for the dog. I'm going to give that to Stella. That's Stella's for the dog. But also, this is what's left in the bottom of the pot.
She heard her name.
I'm telling you. Remember, if you want...
Ow!
Move them fingers.
You know what though? I got some gravy.
Remember, if you watch that video, this had loads of apricots, dates, onions, olives. Ow! It was so good.
It was delicious.
And the meat just fell off the bone. And loads of gravy. And this is all that's left. Now, I could just have a gravy sandwich, but I'm not. I'm going to turn this now into another meal. Oh, yes, I am. We're going to make like a soupy soup. Kind of like a soupy stew.
A soupy stew.
A soupy stew.
As opposed to a stewy soup.
It's a soupy stew.
Okay.
So, all I'm going to do, I'm going to get this back over here. So, as you can see. Oh, also, I've got some garlic bread. And it's going to be delicious with some nice crusty garlic bread. So, I'm going to put the garlic bread straight in the oven right now. Okay? Just on the rack. Let that cook. Now, here. To my pan. Let's get this here. Let me turn it on. Alright. Now, I am going to make a well.
Oh, look at that.
Take it out. Let me take it over here.
Okay.
So I got it on. I'm taking my well.
Okay.
To my well, I'm going to chop up an onion here. I'm going to put this onion in the middle because I am going to let this kind of cook and caramelize it down a little bit. And I want it to be quite chunky. I had a half a butternut squash left. I made some curry, sweet potato and butternut squash earlier in the week. I had half one left. So I've chopped up that. I've got some potatoes here. I had a teeny bit of yellow pepper left. I think I got, child, y'all know me. I throw shit away.
2 pieces of red pepper.
But it's going in my pot.
Amazing.
It was left.
Amazing.
Look at this mangy looking celery. We're going to use this celery. So let me chop this down. It's all going in. Look in there. Some gravy.
Is that from the beef?
That's from the beef.
That was good too.
And I'm going to add, so beef video up there. You can check out the beef.
Oh, Mum.
That gravy's good, I know.
Oh, mate, that gravy's amazing.
So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to throw these onions in and just put this, let those onions just kind of cook down a little bit there. To the onions, I'm going to also add my peppers. Alright, this is all going to boil up. This is all like a little bit of mishy, mushy, whoa. It's all happening. I had also some fresh thyme.
Ooh, yum.
I mean, it's looking a little bit sad.
So look. Yeah,
It's just looking a little bit sad. But you know what?
The flavour will still be there.
It'll be happy. It'll be happy. So, let us add straight to this pot, oh Lord of mercy, all of this veg. Okay? Grab it up. Put it all in. Stir it up. Here, I'm going to show you. Take it off. So, let's just get it.
Get it all coated.
Coated. Let's get it all coated. Okay. Then, let's put this back over here. I have here some of my leftover beef.
Oh, is this the beef that you made the Sunday?
Yeah.
Is that all that's left?
That's all that's left. So I'm just going to chop this down. Now, normally, I know y'all would have just thrown that in the bin because it looks tired. But we're going to refresh it.
Revive it.
Revive it.
Just like our Lord and Saviour on Sunday when he was resurrected.
Revival day.
We're going to resurrect
I'm going to resurrect my beef. Take that beef and throw it on up in there. Now, This is looking a little bit sad too.
What is that?
Chorizo.
Oh, it's chorizo.
And this is some
Can you feel
chorizo.
it? Let me feel it.
It's fine.
Okay, so it looks dry, but it's not hard. It's fine.
But it's not. It's fine.
Okay.
And I know my foster child, he ain't going to eat none of this soup, so it don't matter. So I can add my chorizo to
I'll
it.
definitely have some.
I know. So all I'm doing here is I'm peeling this. I found this at the bottom of the fridge. Yes, I did. Because you can see it's a half. I've used it in something else. So let's just slice this chorizo up. It's going to add some nice flavor to it.
The smokiness.
Okay, let's add this. Okay, already. Now we're going to add, see this gravy here? I boiled a kettle. So I'm just going to boil this. Pour that in there. And pour this gravy directly to my pot. Look at that.
That looks great.
Okay. So this is, and look at the flavor that from the pot already. It's got tons of flavor. Seasoning, ingredients. Okay, now I'm growing some coriander in the window with my fresh mint and my basil. These leaves here, they look a little bit tired.
Yeah, I know.
So we're gonna take them off. Just pinch them off and break it up and put it in. It smells really good.
I have a question.
Yes.
What are you going to do with this?
Do with what?
Some mashed potato and candied sweet potato.
Well, this mashed potato, I'm going to make potato pancakes with this.
Ooh.
All right, so I'm going to make some pancakes with this. I just thought I'd pull it out because I wanted to have, good. It's really good. Yeah, I'll make some potato pancakes with that.
Yeah.
So.
What about that green pepper? Is that going in?
See how much I got in here. Yeah, I got yellow pepper and red.
And 2 pieces of red.
2 pieces of red. So yeah, let's stick this green on up in there.
Again, that looks a bit tired. You just show.
It's all tired, but I'm gonna. So all I'm doing is here. Watch. I'm just cutting off just that end, because that's the slimy bit.
Okay.
Don't want that bit.
Okay.
But the rest is fine. Let's see on this side. Here we go. It's this bit here. Just trim. Trim away the badness. The sad bits. To the happy bits. And there's the happy bits. Throw those in. Now, basically, all the cooking time is the potatoes and the butternut squash. Because those are the only vegetables that need it to cook. Everything else is cooked in here already.
Gonna add any more meat to it, or?
No, I'm not. I mean, I want this, I think the flavor from the meat and the gravy and the little bit of chorizo.
Be enough.
So this is my vegetarian day.
Even though there's meat in it.
A touch of meat. Just a touch.
Okay.
But this with some garlic bread.
Yeah, it'll be delicious.
It's going to be a delicious, nice, hearty meal.
Oh, it fills away. So we haven't got to save any.
No, we ain't got to save nothing.
Yay.
Fills away. My husband's gone to America to a wedding for his godson. And good thing about it, while he's there, he's staying with family. My family. Because my family is his family. It's a family affair. Oh, yes. Even with no hair. He had a haircut
Can you
yesterday.
put the second piece of garlic bread in?
Yeah.
Because Laz will have that some for her lunch.
Will she eat it? Because I'm not wasting it.
I love garlic bread, so I'll definitely eat it as well.
Alright, because I'm saying I ain't wasting it.
No, it won't be wasted. It'll definitely be consumed.
Okay.
Alright, so how long do you think it needs to cook for?
I got this little bit of lemon here. And I'm going to add a little bit of zest and some flavoring.
Lemon juice.
Lemon juice. Ooh, look at that. Just put it, that's just going to give it a little
Just
bit
give
of
it a pep, won't it? Yeah.
tang. Pep it up. Oh, look at that. Already.
Looks amazing. All the colours.
Oh, can you smell that lemon?
I can.
It's going to lift it. So, I'm going to turn it
Notice how
down.
there's been no seasoning put in it, because it's already seasoned.
It's already seasoned, and that pot was seasoned.
Yeah.
So I'm going to turn that down.
It smells incredible. How long do you think it needs to cook for?
About a half an hour.
Okay.
So I'm just going to turn that down, let it simmer, because I don't want it to stick.
Smells
I don't want it to
already.
stick. I'm telling y'all.
Oh my word.
I'm coming up with some smell-o-vision.
We need to.
Real soon.
We need to.
Click on a video, and it smells like home. Like your granny's kitchen. Okay? You got me? Have you got where I'm coming from yet? Guess what I forgot to say? Please like, please subscribe, and share. We are trying to hit that 100 grand. I'm gonna keep saying it until we're there. Till I got my tattoo.
Yeah, we're getting matching tattoos.
We're getting matching tattoos when we hit that big 100000. Oh, yes, matching tattoos. So please subscribe and become a Patreon. We need you. It ain't about begging. Yes, it is. I ain't too proud.
I know you wanna leave.
No, I know you wanna watch me.
To let you go.
But I refuse to let you
If
go.
I have to beg,
please, for your
sympathy,
for your
I don't
patronage
care, 'cause it means
so much to me. Please become a Patreon today. We need you with us, baby.
Yes, we do.
Ow!
Ain't too proud to plead, baby.
Please don't leave me now. Come to us. Oh, it's cooking and it's sounding good. For part 2 of that song, you have to tune in to the next video. See you when it's done.
You're right. You're right, Mum.
Just coughing a bit.
All right.
Come over here to the pot. Look at this.
Oh my God, look at that.
Look at that. Rich gravy. Potatoes. Look, they cut right through. Your butternut squash. Straight through. So that means everything. And look, by Katrina's recommendation, we've thrown Stella's bone back in. And why? Because you get more flavor. So I'm going to take that bone now and stick it back here. Okay?
Wow.
Now let me just get the garlic bread out. Oh, yeah.
Oh, Mum, that smells so good. Can't wait to eat it.
So now we have our... Hold up.
Guys, if you could see, I'm actually drooling. I could cry. It smells so good.
Now, is there anything in this that you cannot have?
No, I'm eating it all, Mum. I'll suffer the pain if I have to. I would like a piece of chorizo if there's any.
Oh yeah, where's the chorizo? Here it is.
What is it?
Here's it. Delicious.
Nanny made a stew.
I'll have some.
Yeah? Oh,
Starving.
Looks
okay, and it's
amazing.
going to be delicious. With some garlic bread, you'll have some, Ellis?
Obviously.
Okay.
How about yes, please?
Yes,
Please.
please.
Girl, say that again.
Yes, please.
Would you like some soup, Ellis?
Yeah.
Let's
Yes,
do it.
please.
Yes, please, Nanny. Would you like
Yes,
some...
please, Nanny.
Okay. Child, I tell you. These tweenies.
Honestly.
Okay, what do you want in it? You want some chorizo in it?
No.
No?
No,
Okay.
what?
I said no thanks.
No, you said no. Alright, so we'll just give you the lamb, the potatoes, a bit of the veg, and some of the stock. Yeah, that'd be good.
Let's come and get it.
Okay. Bit of beef. There's some beef there.
Gosh, Mum, that's so good.
Some garlic bread with it?
Yes, please.
Okay. Alrighty, well.
Taste it, Mum. We've done a taste test.
No, y'all ain't gonna like that.
Don't even try it. Don't even try it.
It's delicious. The flavors are really full but subtle. Nothing's overtaking anything. It's just a perfect blend. Yummy yum. I'm gonna have some too. So this is Ellis's plate. Here, come get it. I'm gonna put it. I'm just putting it here on the edge there. That's Katrina's, and I'm gonna make myself one. And this is our lunch. So a little bit of peace, a whole lot of love, and And so much so from the mama and her leftover lamb pop stew. Soupy stew. Soupy soup. Soupy stew. That is a tongue twister. I want y'all to tell me.
Soupy stew. Oh no, you can't say
See,
it.
I want you to tell me how many times.
Soupy stew.
Let's see how many times you can say this. Alice, can you say?
okay?
Can you say
No, I can't.
soupy stew? So I'm gonna see if I can do it 4 times. Soupy stew, soupy stew, soupy stew, soupy stew. I can't do it.
Soupy stew, soupy stew, soupy stew, soupy stew.
Soupy stew, soupy stew.
Say goodbye, Mum.
soupy,
Say goodbye.
soupy,
Say
soupy,
goodbye.
goodbye.